Good morning, it is Clay Trader from claytrader.com. I'm going to be doing another live video here of trying to catch some of my trades, just doing the morning prep, getting things ready. It's 9:26 a.m. I'll be starting out watching Facebook, but I have some others on the watch list where if they present some opportunities, then I will try to catch the trades live here for you. So I will keep you updated. Going for some shares here at 676 on ECYT, just a massive gap down. Hoping it's bottoming out here and might get some sort of bounce, but it's one where if I need to buy some more shares, I can. There is also a big bid at 675, so I'm trying to cut in front of that. So you can see my order just sitting there. I have 1,000 shares. You can see so there I am completely in now. Now I have an order and a sell at 682, and well, it filled me and then dropped quite a bit. So if I need to buy some more shares, I will, but want to first see where this is going to try to bottom out here. But that may have just been a terrible entry. We will see. So I'm going to keep an eye here, see if I can figure out where it wants to bottom out, and then I can bring my average cost down. Given that obviously was not a very good entry, just going to look to sell at 79, so I'll put that in there. So let's see if I can get some sort of bounce. First step is definitely needs to get back up above 660 there. So I will pause it, and you know, this one's not super volatile, so it may take some time, but I will keep you updated on all the trades. Okay, you can see here that 675 big wall. I changed my order to 677 just because that was a terrible entry. So if I can just get out, then that would be ideal. So we'll see if it can push up through there. Like I said, 670. All right, there we go, and I'm out. So 25 bucks, and now you can see 680. So that's usually how it goes. But hey, I got out. Bad entry point. And you know, maybe here's a bounce I was looking for, but you know, at this point, yeah, I just had to be honest with myself. Did not get a good entry at all. You know, there's no need to panic. I still had plenty of capital left where if I need to bring down my average, but you know, it never. I was actually bidding for some at 656, but didn't get anything filled. So that's just how it works out. And now you can see would have been a very nice trade, but of course I am talking in hindsight here, so take that with a grain of salt. Let's see if I can catch some more trades. Have an order in to buy some at 6110 here on Facebook. This is based off of the 5-minute chart, but we'll track it here on the 2-minute. Pretty sure I just saw a massive bid in there somewhere. I think it was 615-ish area. Not sure, but anyways, order in at 6110. We'll see if it can drop down there or not. I will keep you updated. And I am in. So looking to sell at 61.15, and I'm out. Sorry I missed it. L2's all of a sudden collapsed in the blink of an eye, but then shot basically straight back up. So that was quick, but let's see if I can catch some more. 61. Looking 61, just right on the button. That would be a nice little entry. So put that in. 61, double checking. There we go. So I will keep you updated, but again, you missed the entry but saw the exit. A quick little $50 there. Okay, I have an order, and like I said, or maybe I didn't say, I can't remember, at 61. I just broke 61.10, so let's see if it can go down there. May not be the optimal entry point, but I like the odds to at least start to build a position from here. So looking to sell at 61.05, and you can see shot right down below. They're pretty quick, but that's usually what happens when those key levels are broken. So yeah, I probably should have just put it at like 60.95, 60.90, something like that. But you know, if I need to buy more shares, I can. But regardless, I still do like this as an entry point. So if it can get back up above 61, which it's trying to do right now, should at least be able to get up to 61.05. So let's see here. Again, if I get filled, this will turn to green. So as usual, 61 was a support. Now you can see it's acting as resistance. And maybe I'm just going to need to build a bigger position here. What is that? 60.75. So if I need to, I will buy some more at 60.75. See, there's that. So we'll see what happens. I will pause the video, and if it looks like I'm either going to get out or buy some more shares down at the 60.75, I will keep you posted. Okay, I'm in at 60.75 now. My average is 60.88. So if it can get back up into the 90s, that would be fantastic. If I need to, though, buy some more shares, I will. Maybe try to pick up some more down here at 75. I'm going to try to do that. Again, my average is 60.88, so if it could get back up into the 90s, that would be fantastic. And it's got to bounce some, at some point. So let's see here if it can get up there into the 90s again. There we go. Putting some out there at 93. So I am out of the trade. Cancel that. So I'm not sure how much I made exactly. I'm up to let's see, I was up 50. So 110 I made there. Actually 61. What is that? I'll go 15. I'd love to be able to short some at 61.15 if it could get up there. We'll see if it can push up there that high or not. But you saw me bring down my average cost. I was going for some more at 60.75, but I didn't get any of those, so wasn't quite as beneficial as I wanted. But again, I had my average at 60.87.5, and then I sold all of my shares at 60.93. So on those 2,000 shares, I made, what was that, about 6.5 cents, 5.5. Not very good at mental math. So anyways, I'll try to catch some more trades. Looking to go short here at 61.10. Just got a little bit more ways to go. This is also, I should say, entries based off of the 5-minute chart, which you cannot see here. But how high did it actually go? 61.08. So it got up there, but just didn't quite fill me. So we'll give it another try here, see if it can get up there. Video's at 7 minutes. All right, well, I'm going to pause it, and I'll keep you updated here. Oh, I don't want to do this, but I just got to be honest, keep things real. I canceled my 61.10 order, put it at 61.18 just because, who knows, because I'm an idiot. And sure enough, if you look, the high it went was 61.10, and now it's rolling over beautifully. Now, whether or not I would have gotten filled, I don't know, but point being was charts absolutely nailed the top here, and it would have been a great quick trade there. I do still have the order in at 61.18, so I'll see if I can get that. But yeah, that's frustrating there. So should have listened to my instincts, and well, how high did it just go there? 61.13. So I would have definitely been filled there if I would have kept my 61.10, and now you can see rolling back down to 61. So shame on me for being an idiot and not listening to the chart, but it does show that it wasn't the chart that led me astray, it was my own self that led me astray. So just again, a great example on the power of charts. Going for some shares here at 60.60 on this pullback move. Again, this is actually taken from the 5-minute chart in terms of determining this attempted entry point. Well, looks like not going to get it at least this time around, so I will keep you updated if it looks like I'm going to get filled. Again, going for some at 60.60. All right, I'm just going to wrap things up. It's already over an hour into the day, and just still up 185. I'm actually working on a course right now that I want to do some recording. It's a level 2 course, so I want to catch some real-time level 2 action, so I need to use that time for that. So if you're interested in learning how to trade like this, then when I say trade like this, I just mean using charts, technical analysis. You don't have to trade as fast or quickly as I am here. I mean day trading, but you can use them for swing trading, all other types of methods. They just measure emotion, and emotion happens at all time frames. So I'd encourage you to go to claytrader.com, check out my blog and store, offer multiple courses. Also have a trading group where there's a chat room, weekly newsletter, and all that. So you can check out that. That's called the Inner Circle. Very cost effective, less than a cup of coffee per week. So I think it's a very fair price given all the value you get with it. So check that stuff out. Thanks for listening. And if you watched any of my other videos this past week, thanks for watching. And hopefully you were able to pull a few things of education from them.